Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you come across this video. We are here again to do our normal weekly forecast on Euro USD. Based on our past week review on the analysis we did of past week and last week, So we marked out this supply last week, and market did what? Market came up and respected it and started doing what? Dropping. So we marked it out last week. So market respected it and started doing what? Not just that we mark it out, because it's among the supply zone that we were interested on last week. So let's move to weekly time frame. Let's move to weekly time frame and see the candles and what market did there and the actual range and zone we are in. As you can see here, we are still on this range. This low is the low that created this high. So we already in the extreme discount of this range, but what markets have not yet mitigated the actual demand zone, the exact demand zone that it was meant to mitigate. So what am I looking at for? I want market to do what? Because last week we didn't have inducement here for market to do what? That will help in fulfilling this POI, because we normally choose POI that has inducement fitting into it. So last week we did not have it. So but that after last week, market created inducement, went up. Then if once market start coming down, we will mark this thing as inducement, because this low is fitting into this POI, this higher time frame demand zone. So we mark it as inducement. So that's it. Let's move to 4 hours time frame and see what price and what range we are in 4 hours. But let's wait. In this one weekly time frame, I hope you guys remember the range that I said that we are in. This low and this high. So and market is already on internal range of this higher time frame range, weekly range. So discount, a market is already at discount of this higher time frame range, weekly range. So let's move to 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame. So this is it. As if you guys look out where in this 4 hours time frame, you will see some inside range, lower time frame range, like 4 hours range. Because this high, let's identify it. This is the lower, because we are bearish on this 4 hours time frame range. Bearish on this. So this is it. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Market did what? Created the lower high. So as the last range, 4 hours range, the recent 4 hours range the market has mitigated other block from it extreme of the 4 hours range. So what we are expecting now is for market to do what? Is to go to the external range liquidity of that same 4 hours range. So but we are still inside the internal range of that 4 hours range. So let's move to 30 minutes time frame and see and mark out some ranges that we are in. So but first of all, let's go back to that 4 hours range and mark out the recent high the recent high that created this low that fulfilled this range, this high was the strong high here. So this low is the weak low. So that is where we are targeting if we are going from here. So let's go back to that 30-minute time frame. So okay, this is the 30 minutes time frame here. So this is the 30 minutes time frame. Okay, this is the 30 minutes time frame. So let's wait here. So let's first of all mark out this supply zone that market reacted off from. Market did what? Took liquidity here and did what? Break this low. So that was the reason I chose the other block, and we have imbalance here. So that was the reason I chose the other block last week when I was doing the weekly analysis. So market reacted off from here on our 4 hours supply zone, and in the 30 minutes time frame, you can see the inside structure, market break of structure and ranges in a 30 minutes time frame. This is it: lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. This high, lower high that created this lower low got what? Broken. So that means that we have shift in market structure. Shift in market structure. I call it QMH. This one is Quasimodo high. Shift in market structure. This one is Quasimodo high. So this confirmed, made me to confirm this range that definitely we are going we will go up to mitigate this supply zone. So market went up and mitigated it. So this was the low. After market took this high, market came back into the range. The recent range is created, came back to it, then went up again. But the main reason that made markets not to respect this low, because this place was supposed to be the range. This was supposed to be the lower, higher low, higher high. But the main reason that made market not to respect this is because this is a clean low, clean order block. If only you are in my Telegram channel, you will notice me talking about clean order blocks and clean lows, and market using it as liquidity. So market took it out, then came down here to mitigate this low, this order block, then started going up, and market take this low, this high that created this low. So the actual 30 minutes range that we are in is from this low that I'm marking out now to this high, So this is our actual 30 minutes range. So since the markets have mitigated the higher time 4 hours higher time frame supply zone, so what I'm expecting from market to do is to take out this low, is to take this low out next week. What I'm expecting from Euro USD next week is for markets to do what? To take out this low. Then we will confirm that our 30 minutes range is now what? Is also now bearish. Then come back to do what? To start going down here. So this is for 30 minutes range. We are expecting price to break here. Let's move to 5 minutes and see our range and structures. So on 5 minutes, we notice when market was coming down after it mitigated the higher time frame supply zone. When market was coming down here, market reached this demand zone, because this low was meant to be broken, but market reached the demand zone, respected it, started doing what? Started creating a series of higher highs and higher lows instead of continuation of that lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, bearish range. Market started doing what? Going up, creating bullish range. So what I'm looking out on this 5 minutes range, 5 minutes time frame range is, since this is the previous low that created this high before markets take this low, then this high was supposed to be the strong high on this 5 minutes range, but market did what? Market took it out. This made me to say that, okay, this 5 minutes range market structure has turned as already shifted, has turned bullish. So market came back down here to mitigate this supply to this demand zone, then boom, created another new high. So what I'm expecting from this 5 minute range is, this was if you come this side, this was the last low. Let me just use this as the last low that created this high that mitigated this 4 hours supply zone, and market broke it there. So market is doing what on 5 minutes? Market is coming to the internal range liquidity of this 5 minutes. This is the low and this is the high. So market is coming what? Market is coming to internal range of this 5 minutes. So what I'm expecting from this 5 minutes, from markets to do in this next week, I'm expecting from market to do in next week, from this 5 minute scenario of what market is showing us, is to do what? If possible, market give us some clear move, broke, yeah, because I think the structure I'm marking out now is range. I'm marking out around is, I think, is 1 minute range, but we are still in the 5 minutes actual range. So this is the 5 minutes low. So I will be targeting this low. Once price break this low, then I will know that we have turned bearish in 5 minutes range. Then we start doing what? Going downward. So if possible on Monday, we might see this low get taken out. This low take out, then market pull back, then we take this low out. We might come visit back to the range that market will create, because this reacted off from a weak order block, but it reacted off from it, so creating flip zone. But let's wait till your market complete the reaction next week. So this is it, guys. This is the only thing I'm illustrating, and this is the only thing I'm waiting for price to react on next week. So because we don't predict, we react on what price is doing. So that's it. I think we are done here. And also don't forget to if you are not yet subscribed, if you are watching this video and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click that subscription button and like this video, please. And don't forget to drop down your comment review on the comment section, please. And I will be dropping my Telegram free my Telegram channel free link on the description below. So don't forget to go and see what we are doing in Telegram. So that's it, man. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you, and God bless you. Have a nice trading week. Thank you, guys.